Welcome to Chewonki. My name is Emily, and today we are in the kitchen and we're going to be growing a delicious treat out of a few simple ingredients, granola. And we're going to be doing it with my good friend Bill. Hey Bill!
Hello Emily. Here at Chewonki we make a lot of granola. During the summer we serve it at least once a week, sometimes twice a week at breakfast. And we're going to be making a pretty small batch today, something you can do at home. When we make granola for camp, we're usually doing about 12 times as much as this. So are we ready to get started?
I think so. How do we get started? Where do we begin?
Let's, first of all, we need to get some ingredients together. We're going to take some water. Here, why don't you put these in the pan, Emily?
I'm putting them in this pot?
Yep.
Great. How much water is this, Bill?
It's about half a cup.
Great.
We've got a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're using a neutral flavored vegetable oil, like canola oil. Olive oil isn't really great in granola, too much fat. Some brown sugar.
How much brown sugar?
That is about half a cup.
My favorite ingredient so far.
Sorry, it's about a third of a cup. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go back and put this on the stove and let these ingredients dissolve. And I'll go do that, and then we're going to start mixing up the dry ingredients. So this doesn't really have to boil, but we just need to get it hot enough so that the sugar will dissolve. Okay. Okay, so the next step is mixing up the dry ingredients. And I'll pass these over to you, Emily. We have 4 cups of rolled oats, and you can use either regular rolled oats or quick cooking rolled oats, but not instant oatmeal because it will cook when you pour the warm liquid on it.
All right, just right in the bowl?
Right in the bowl. We're going to mix everything together. Got a cup of coconut.
This looks like it's dried coconut.
It is. It's dried, unsweetened coconut, but you could use any coconut you like. These are a cup of sunflower seeds, and we have a cup of pumpkin seeds.
Wow.
And we also have a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Now, Bill, what if I liked different ingredients than I'm adding right now? What if I didn't really like pumpkin seeds? Do I have to put them in?
No, you could substitute any nuts you like. We happen to be a nut-free kitchen. But you can certainly make this to your own specifications.
Awesome. So the sky's the limit, really, with granola.
The sky's the limit. I'm going to go grab the brown sugar mixture off the stove and bring it right back.
Wonderful.
There, that's all nicely melted together. And we're going to pour this in and mix it thoroughly, okay?
Okay. Starting to smell good.
Wait till it gets in the oven.
All right, now that I've mixed it and it's mostly combined, what's the next step?
Okay, we need to put this on a sheet pan. And this is a half sheet pan, we call it. And this would be about the right size to fit in a home oven.
Great. Do I need to put anything on the pan? Just the granola?
No, just spread it on there and make sure it's in a nice even layer, but don't pack it down.
How'd I do, Bill?
That looks fantastic. All right, so the next step is to put this in a 300-degree oven, and we're going to let it sit in there for about probably about 15 minutes. Then we're going to give it a stir and put it back in, and we're going to wait until it turns a nice golden brown and is crunchy.
Awesome.
And then it'll be almost ready to eat.
I can't wait for that step. That's my favorite step.
Great.
Remember, if you're making your granola at home, you need to be making sure that you have permission from your parents to use something like the oven. We don't want anyone to have an accident while making delicious granola. How long has it been since we stirred the granola, Bill?
It's been about 10 or 15 minutes,
Okay.
so it must be almost done.
Check.
Oh, no. Now it's done?
Yay!
All right.
Checkmate. Smells good.
Awesome. Great. Let's give it a little stir and see if it's nice and crunchy. That looks fantastic.
Wonderful. What are we gonna do with this granola, Bill? I'm hungry.
Me too. I think today we're going to make some granola parfaits. Can you tell me what parfait means?
I think it's a French word for perfect.
It is for perfect. And parfaits are a perfect breakfast or a perfect snack.
Awesome. Should we go make some?
Let's do it. All right. We're going to make our parfaits in these glasses.
Fun.
That way we can see the layers when we build them up. And I have some spoons here. Why don't you have one?
Oh, thank
We'll
you.
have one. And we have some plain yogurt here. You could use any yogurt you want at home. Flavored yogurt or Greek yogurt. This is what we happen to have. And I've also got some blueberries and strawberries.
Awesome. Could we use other fruit if we wanted to?
Yeah, bananas would be great in this. If you like something crunchy, you could use some pieces of apple. Or you could use dried fruit like raisins.
What's the first layer in our parfait?
I like to start with granola first.
Granola, okay.
We'll put a couple of spoonfuls in.
All right.
We don't want to fill it up too much.
Then what's next?
Then we'll do a layer of yogurt.
Ooh,
I love yogurt.
me too. All right. Let me guess.
Nice and pretty.
Berries?
Berries next.
Okay. I'm gonna put blueberries for my first layer. Could I do strawberries for my second?
Yeah, we'll switch. Then we'll do a little bit more granola on top of that.
More yogurt?
And a little more yogurt.
Oh no.
And then we'll cap it off with the final layer of berries.
Wonderful.
I'm really excited to eat these.
Me too. The strawberries look delicious.
Pile it up nice and high.
Yours looks so
Delicious.
overflowing. I'm ready to eat these, Bill. Can we do that next?
I am too. Let's just set our stuff over behind us, and then we can dig in. Are you ready?
I am
What
ready.
happened to my spoon?
Definitely need a spoon.
There we go.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this amazing treat with me, Bill. It was really fun.
You're welcome, Emily. I really enjoyed it too.
I'm really excited to see what you come up with at home. What ingredients do you put in your granola? And if you make a parfait, what do you put in it? Make sure that you share with us what it is that you create and share it with your whole family too. Thanks so much for joining us, and thanks again to Bill. See you next
Parfait.
time.